Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into KLA's fiscal 2025 third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss KLA's latest financial performance.
Let's get started with a brief introduction to KLA. The company is a leader in process control and process-enabling solutions for the semiconductor industry. They've just released their Q3 fiscal 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. KLA reported total revenues of $3.06 billion for the third quarter, which is above the midpoint of their guidance range. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Absolutely. The revenue of $3.6 billion is a significant increase from the $2.36 billion reported in the same quarter last year. This growth is driven by strong demand in the semiconductor process control segment, which remains a core area for KLA.
And what about profitability?
KLA's GAAP EPS came in at $8.16, while the non-GAAP EPS was $8.41, both surpassing the forecasted EPS of $0.86. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
Cash flow and capital returns. Moving on to cash flow, KLA reported operating cash flow of $1.07 billion and free cash flow of $990 million. How does this impact their capital return strategy?
These robust cash flows have allowed KLA to increase their quarterly dividend to $1.90 per share and authorize an additional $5 billion for share repurchases. This reflects their confidence in the business's long-term value and commitment to returning capital to shareholders.
That's quite a significant increase. What does this say about KLA's financial health?
It underscores their strong cash generation capabilities and strategic focus on shareholder value. The increased dividend and share repurchase authorization are positive signals to the market.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, KLA's CEO Rick Wallace mentioned the company's growing relevancy in semiconductor manufacturing and their leadership in process control. Can you elaborate on this?
Certainly. KLA's leadership in process control is crucial for enabling AI investments by their customers. Their market share results affirm this leadership, and their strategic focus on product differentiation is driving long-term objectives.
How does this position KLA in the competitive landscape?
KLA's focus on innovation and strategic investments in their product portfolio positions them strongly against competitors. Their ability to adapt to market needs and invest in cutting-edge technology is a significant advantage.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, KLA has provided guidance for the fourth quarter. What are the key figures investors should be aware of?
For Q4, KLA expects revenues to be around $3.75 billion, with a GAAP EPS range of $8.28 and a non-GAAP EPS range of $8.53. They also anticipate a non-GAAP gross margin of 63.0%.
What does this guidance suggest about KLA's future performance?
The guidance reflects KLA's confidence in maintaining strong performance despite global economic uncertainties. Their focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments should continue to drive growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, KLA has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive revenue and earnings growth. Their strategic initiatives and capital return plans highlight their commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
KLA's performance this quarter is a testament to their robust business model and strategic focus. Investors should keep an eye on their continued innovation and market leadership.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on KLA's performance in the comments below.